Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Floyd in California on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Floyd, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, and got the static 636L for you on the special. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. We got you just a hair under 25 watts, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Roll it all the way up, 125. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, about 215. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bouncing off the 500 watt peg. Let's roll it all the way down there. Hello, 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 hello. Still bouncing off the 500 watt peg. Let's go to sideband. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Roll it all the way up. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A good 500 watts on sideband as well. Alright, Floyd, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it, and I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.